Stoik, thank you for watching. I just wanted to make you a little video series I'm going to be calling Common Classroom Mistakes, where after a semester of teaching this class, I've seen a lot of the mistakes students tend to commonly make. I wanted to point them out so I could help you avoid them. So for Unit 1, let me take you over to the whiteboard here. Some of the common mistakes that I'm going to see split up really into two categories: spelling and sounds. So spelling is pretty simple. Things go pretty well, except students a lot of the time forget to put the umlauts or use the S-set, this symbol right here which looks like a capital B, sometimes called an S-set, in Austria or southern Germany called a scharfes S, so you might see both those. Basically, the big reason I point this out is because some students forget that it actually makes an S sound instead of a B sound, so that can be important when you're speaking too, as well as talking. And then these vowels with the dots over them, the dots are called umlauts. So a lot of times we just call this the A with an umlaut, O with an umlaut, U with an umlaut. And they actually make a slightly different sound in German than just the regular A, O, or U. So it's important we remember that, because it's going to help us when we're pronouncing as well as when we're spelling. So, your computer, it doesn't have these keys on it probably. That's totally normal. If you can't get access to them, and there's some videos in this course about how to do that, the simplest way to do that is, for the S-set, you just write two S's. For the A, you'd write AE. For the O, you'd write OE. Or for the U, you'd write UE. So just type that right out on your keyboard instead of using the umlauts or the S-set, and that's totally fine, totally accessible. As far as sounds, when you're speaking, the big thing people forget is that the W always makes a V sound, and the J always makes a Y sound. So that's all I have for you. I try to keep it nice, quick, and simple. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know, and be sure you have a great